Goes for the close range one. Armel one step ahead of Sumail there. Very nicely played. Now it is first and 2 kills. But I've seen so many of these 1v1s. Unless you almost immediately
Bias
manage to
casting.
get a kill in this period of time where the enemy's
Wala nila, makaka-comeback pa si Sumail.
you're at a huge disadvantage.
Secret ka nga pala nun. Ano ba, Boss Beams? TNC ako nung nanalo si, si March, yung binuhat ko siya, tapos siya yung nanalo ng sasakyan. TNC pa ako nun.
Look, I've seen some crazy turnarounds.
Ako malakas sobra nun sa tournament na yun ESL. Tapos si March yung nakakuha ng sasakyan.
As long as he doesn't fall behind in the levels.
Well, hey, that's a problem. It's now a level 5 Armel versus a level 4 Sumail, and Armel, he knows the advantage he's got.
You went for Gauntlet. Just trying to rack up the early survivability.
Etong 1v1 na to, tol, hindi lang sa tinalo ko si Sumail. First ever na naglagay ng Requiem sa level 6 yung SF, tol. Dati kasi hindi nilalagyan ng Requiem yung SF. Kasi makikipaglasitan ka lang tsaka tatalunin mo sa CS. First ever, tol, first ever. Kumbaga yung killer instinct nandun talaga. Killer instinct yung pinapahalagahan dito. Dati kasi laging lang yan CS ka lang, tapos magdadagagan lang kayo, ayun yung pride. Pero sa akin, no. Oh, makulit ka, Bo. Ano ka, boy? Oh, bakit, boy? Oh, ano? Ganun yung sinasabi ko yan sa isip ko nung time na yan.
Decent trade for Sumail there. He'll take those. I mean, at this point, do you just play for the next rune here?
Ayun na, tol. Pagkakita ko, tol. Wala, aasim to, GG na siya. Ayun, hindi kasi nilalagyan talaga yung Requiem dyan Kaso, nakita ko yung yung vision ba? Sabi ko, medyo inaantok na ako, baka nagugutom na din yung mga kampi ko. Daling ko na nga sila sa upper bracket. Kawawa naman si Sumail, nagatasan dahil bored ako. Ayun inahanap, tingnan mo, ayun nakakready na yung tol, yung bala. Nakready ko na yung bala, tol, ayun
Upper bracket has huge implications.
Sumail's just farming here.
Wala, si S-Dip din pala talaga si Sumail. Ayun na-ready na yung bala. Bang! Bang! Ayun Uy, tol, tingnan mo ginawa ko. Hindi pa sumasabog yung Requiem. Ayun hindi pa sumasabog yung Requiem mo. Outplayed. Habang nagre-Requiem ako, kinatoy lang ko. Outplayed. Outplayed. Kumbaga, tinaypan mo na agad, tol, kinaka-spy spell, Outplayed.
The champion of Fnatic.
Ang inakala mo talaga yun. Tang ina talaga. Kawawa.